Think of the word nature. If you close your eyes, what do you see? How does it make you feel? In most cases, an image of a pristine and beautiful landscape comes to our minds. A green forest or a deep blue ocean. But have you ever asked yourself, where does that image come from? Today's complex relationship with the environment is challenging us. It requires new modes of thought and action, of seeing, hearing, and imagining. Postnature is an invitation to cultivate new ecological alternatives. In the mixture of matter and cultures, of science and fictions, of myths and technologies, Postnature is a tool to rethink the relationships with the world around us.
They don't seem to bother at all.
It is a way to unfold responsibility and awareness amidst the enormous ecological crisis that is affecting every living being today.